Hello there, welcome to WeLearn. Today's video, I'll take you through how I was able to come up with the idea and design the Windows 10 graphical user interface. Without wasting my time, let's get into it. If you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Before we start, there are certain things that you must know. One, you must know about HTML, that's the structure of the website. 2, CSS, cascading style sheet. 3, JavaScript, Bootstrap, W3 CSS. But if you don't know, don't worry, I'll take you through. Choosing a text editor. You know there are a lot of text editors around, but with this tutorial, let me just give you some of the text editors around. We have VS Code, that's a Visual Studio Code, the Atom, Sublime, Notepad++, and many more. But with this tutorial, I use VS Code to code this thing. Next is the overview of the project. Now let's get started and know how I came up with the plan. To get started, I started with a div, one big div which will contain the whole thing, and I divided this div into two. That is the main screen and the taskbar. With the main screen, I divided them into three sections: the left screen, the middle screen, and the right screen. The left screen, middle screen, and right screen. And with the left screen too, I further divided it into three: left apps, middle apps, right apps. Those are the number of applications I wanted them to show on the screen: the left apps, the middle apps, and the right apps. The left apps had 6 divs, which will be each div represents an icon or an application. So the left app contains 6 applications. The middle apps contains 6 applications. So as the right apps contains 3 applications. With the middle screen, I've titled it div for the application. So with this section, when you click on an application, this is where it will appear. You click on an application this way. Let's say if you have an icon there and you click on it, it's going to appear in the middle screen, and the right screen to div code. So there is a code section on my screen that's auto generate. It changes by itself. But in this case, I made it like when you click on an application, then the code will change. When you click on an application, then the code will change by itself. You come to the taskbar tool. I divided into several sections, which one is the Windows, that's the Windows icon. 2, that's the search. 3, that's the Cortana. 4, the task, that's the task view. And then the 5, application div, that's the apps that you personally you are going to pin them onto your taskbar. And then you have the system apps. Those are the volume app, the battery, and the stuff. And then I have div date. Date is going to show the time and date. That one to use JavaScript, so it's intact. And the message div, that's something like the notification. Now let's get started and see how it is. So this is the desktop by itself. This, I don't know what to call it. They say a skeleton or something. So there's a diagram of it. So as I said, the main div containing the whole thing is this one, the red one. You can see the red color. It contains everything. It contains all of it. It contains the main screen, that's the orange section, and then the taskbar, that's the blue. Let's go and see from it. The div contains the main screen and the taskbar. The main screen and the taskbar. Then we further divided the main screen into 3 sections. That's the left screen, middle screen, right screen. The left screen, middle screen, right screen. That's what we have here: the left screen, middle screen, and right screen. Furthermore, divided the left screen into 3 sections. That's the left apps, middle apps, and the right apps. The left apps, middle apps, and the right apps. That's how we have here: left apps, middle apps, right apps. See, 6 divs, 3 divs. If you can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we have what? 6 divs on this side, 6 divs on this side, and 3 divs on this side. Yeah, that's it. And the middle screen, this is the middle screen. So on clicking on an icon, let's say click on icon right now, this is where it will appear. When you click on icon right now, this is where the content will appear. Yeah, that's how it is. And this is the what? The right screen, that's the what? The quote. Yeah, that's the quote. See what? Let's read the instruction from there. It says what? Click on quote icon to display quote. Click on quote icon. So there is a quote icon. See, upon clicking on this one, this quote what? It will change. There will be a quote. So click again, it will change. When you click it again, it will change. That's how it is. And then taskbar 2, said earlier on, we have several sections. So let's go show it. Sorry. We have the windows, the search, Cortana, task. Then what? Your own apps that you pin them on it. You have the system apps, the date and time, and the message. Yeah. And we have the date and time and the notification. Date and time and the notification. So this is the whole thing. Yeah, this plan, this is how I started. Drew this thing. Yeah, drew the skeleton plan and what? Developed it into this one. Without listening, let's go and check through the code. But don't worry, I will leave a link in the description below. If you want the code, you can go and download it from my GitHub repository. Then what? Go code along. See, the main reason why I'm doing this is that I want you to get the idea and code by yourself. When you get stuck at some point in time, then you personally take the code and compare it and check where your mistakes are. Yes, yeah. Now let's go and check.
Girl, I'm in the mood. Come on, give me clues. Cause my heart's running like it's on the loose. I follow all your rules. Your command be my truth. You got my heart burning for you and for you. Doctor said you overdose. He dey kill it, person say make I compose. I know I send you, I'm your host. Compose as my body like a Holy Ghost. You know I need the right to you, I'm Barros. I could buy my body like say now your post. Where I done you gon' know. I be number one for this battle. So I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post. If you need the loving, I did for my post. Take my heart to you, now your own. You know need it by me to take it control. I'm all yours, yeah, I'm Barros. If you need my loving, I did for my post. I did for my post, yeah. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. I did for my post, yeah. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post.
Jiggy, no. Oh no.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Ulama, I dey on my tento. And I don't tell you tired. Make we dey like extra cool. Oh, and we go back to the time when this love is share better. You know I love you, but I'm always on the road. Can't lie, you put me in the mood, and I know you want that too. And I carry shoulder down for you, Joe. My be me back. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't carry shoulder down for you, Joe. My be me back. Baby lórúkọ, oh yeah, family rúgbọ̀n, ọ̀nà. Ṣọ̀rọ̀ sí mi anyhow, oh mama. Ṣọ̀rọ̀ sí mi anyhow, my darling. I know it's not easy to understand me. You know I love you, but I'm always on that road. Can't lie, you put me in the mood, and I know you want that too. And I carry shoulder down for you, jọ̀wọ́ má fi mí pa. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't carry shoulder down for you, jọ̀wọ́ má fi mí pa. Ọmọ wa láì.
One LP. Girl, I'm in the mood. Come on, give me clues. Cause my heart's running like it's on the loose. I follow all your rules. Your command be my truth. You got my heart burning for you and for you. Doctor said you overdose. If they kill it, blessings, say make I compose. I know I send you, I'm your host. Compose as my body like a Holy Ghost. You know I need a rent, you, I'm Baros. I could buy my body like say my your post. Where done you gon' know. I be number one for this battle. So I'm Baros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. I'm Baros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post. If you need the loving, I did for my post. Take my heart to you, now your own. You know need it by me to take it control. I'm all yours, yeah, I'm Baros. If you need my loving, I did for my post. Yeah. I'm Baros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. Yeah. I'm Baros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post.
Jiggy, no. Oh no.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Ulama, I dey on my bento. And I don't tell you tire. Make we dey like extra cool. Oh, and we go back to the time when this love is better. You know I love you, but I'm always on the road. Can't lie, you put me in the mood, and I know you want that too. And I carry shoulder down for you, jọ̀wọ́ má fi mí pa. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't carry shoulder down for you, jọ̀wọ́ má fi mí pa. Ọmọ wa láì. Ọmọ yóò ringing to no one come out for my head. No one come out for my head. Ọmọ wa láì. Never seen me get so fine like in my life, I must confess. I must confess. Baby lórúkọ, oh yeah, family rúgbọ̀n, ọ̀nà. So don't see me anyhow, mama. So don't see me anyhow, my darling. I know you know easy to understand me. You know I love you, but I'm always on the road. Can't lie, you put me in the mood, and I know you want that too. And I carry shoulder down for you, Joe. My be me back. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't make my spanner loose. I don't carry shoulder down for you, Joe. My be me back. I'm a wala.
More music.
One LP. Girl, I'm in the mood. Come on, give me clues. Cause my heart's running like it's on the loose. I follow all your rules. Your command be my truth. You got my heart burning for you and for you. Doctor said you overdose. It dey kill the person, say make I compose. I know I send you, I'm your host. Don't possess my body like a Holy Ghost. You know I need a right to you, I'm Barros. I could buy my body like say my your post. Where I done you gon' know. I be number one for this battle. So I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post. If you need the loving, I did for my post. Take my heart to you, now your own. You know need it by me to take control. I'm all yours, yeah, I'm Barros. If you need my loving, I did for my post. Yeah. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. Yeah. I'm Barros. If you need the loving, I did for my post. For my post.
Download exclusively zapnation.net.
Jiggy. No. Oh, no.
More music on trendybeats.com.